Bengal is heading for the final round of the big clash during this assembly elections. Mamata Banerjee hopes for a fourth term re-election. Her party, TMC, has had its biggest success in the 2021 polls when she romped back to power with a massive 217-seat wins in a 294-seat assembly. TMC got a 48% vote share as opposed to 38% for BJP. But it cannot be ruled out that the Saffron Party had jumped 3.7 times from its 2016 vote share of 10.3%. Phase 2 of the Bengal poll is a do-or-die battle for Mamata. Here's why. Phase 1 polling in 152 seats is over. Even the Supreme Court has appreciated the Election Commission for conducting violence-free polling for the first time in the last 5 decades. It said that BJP had an advantage in Phase 1, even though last time TMC had 133 more seats than BJP. The score was 92 for TMC and 59 for BJP. But this phase is tilted even more for the TMC. In 2021, of the 142 seats, TMC had won 124 and BJP a mere 17. The erstwhile challenger Left Front Alliance had 1 seat only. These numbers give a sense of how strong TMC is in these areas. The only big fight this time to watch is the Bhabanipur constituency, where CM Mamata Banerjee is being challenged by BJP's outgoing leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari. Key highlights of the battleground Bhabanipur. So this is a TMC stronghold and a CM's locality. People have seen her right from her early days of political journey. Suvendu Adhikari had defeated her on his home turf in Nandigram last time with a margin of 1900 votes. But TMC had won Bhabanipur with a hefty margin of over 28,000 votes. Mamata seems to be on a shaky wicket when she says she would win here even if it's a margin of just 1 vote. The other big battle is for the Kolkata port. So this constituency holds immense political value in West Bengal politics. As a TMC fortress, it is critical, high-stakes urban seat in South Kolkata, particularly this time. It is a working-class dominated seat with significant economic implication due to its industrial nature. TMC candidate Farhad Hakim, the Kolkata mayor, had won this seat with a margin of over 65,000 votes. Challenger Rakesh Singh is a strong man who was in presidency jail for numerous charges. And BJP waited till he got out on bail to nominate him as their candidate. It's a battle where the gloves are off and the stakes are really high. The third fireball contest is Panihati from North 24 Pargana. The seat is talked about for a single event that rocked the state. It was about the infamous RG Kar rape, murder case, and people alleged that the state government came out all guns blazing to protect the perpetrators. A CBI investigation drew a blank with allegations that all evidence was destroyed. BJP had made a symbolic move by asking the mother of the victim to be their candidate. Rekha Devnath from BJP says that this is a battle against a system that protects criminals. Though even after winning the seat last time, TMC fears strong anti-incumbency headwinds and have replaced the candidate with a fresh face. But it remains to be seen whether the symbolic battle will have an impact.